Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert your Minecraft Bedrock worlds into Minecraft Java. Now if you're interested in more amazing tutorials and fixes just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we drop a video. And with that, let's begin with the video. So this is itself the world that I want to convert from Bedrock to Java, and the world name is Survival Core, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and save and quit this world, and I'm going to go ahead into an application called MCC Toolchest PE. Now I'm going to put the download link in the description down below. Just click on the first link and download MCC Toolchest PE, and then just go ahead and open it up, and I'll catch you guys there. So this is the application, as you guys can see, MCC Toolchest-PE, and what you need to do is click on this little folder over here, and it's going to open up a list of your Bedrock worlds. Now what I'm going to do is click on Survival Core, and now it's going to show up this information. What you need to do now is click on Tools, all right? So remember Tools, and then there will be an option to convert to Java or to Bedrock. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and convert to Java, and it's going to pop up this. If you want, you can have a look at it, but there's really nothing to look forward to. All you need to do is hit on convert, and it's going to convert your world directly. And okay, so as you guys can see, it has finished converting successfully. I'm just going to go ahead and close it, and now I'm going to open up the Minecraft Java launcher and launch Minecraft, and I'm going to show you guys that this in fact worked. Alright, now that we are on the Java launcher, I'm just going to hit on play. It doesn't matter if you're offline or online, it doesn't matter, it's still going to work the same. Alright, now that Minecraft has finally loaded up, I'm just gonna head into single player, and as you guys can see, Survival Core is actually here, and to show you guys further proof, I'm just gonna head into the world itself, and I'm not really sure why it has converted to 1.14.4. Maybe the last time I played it on the Bedrock version was on 1.14, the world, so that's the reason it must have converted, but that doesn't matter. I'm just gonna create a backup and load the world, and I'm going to show you guys proof that it in fact is the same world. Alright guys, so now that the world has finally loaded up, as you guys can see, it is the exact same world, and I'm just going to press escape, and as you guys can see, it is in fact Java edition, so this is completely not a clickbait. And the only downside I would say to this conversion is that your inventory gets completely cancelled, which means you lose all of your items in your inventory. So what I would recommend you doing is putting all of your stuff in chests before you start the export of the world, but obviously there's nothing you can do about the XP, so if you have a ton of XP, just be careful is all. And yeah, with that we have come to an end, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, goodbye.